Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is June 11, 2015. Stock that's on my radar today is Harley-Davidson. Now, I'm looking to take this as a swing trade at some point in time, but right now when I look at the chart, you're going to see that the stock is trading below the 200 period moving average, the red line, which is the 50 period moving average, and also the blue line, which is the 20 period moving average. That puts this stock in a confirmed downtrend. Now, once this level breaks right here at 53 on a closing basis, we should see further downside in the equity. So what I like to do very often, I like to go to the bigger time frame, and I like to look and see where would this stock find some support. So here you can see it's underneath the weekly 200 period moving average, which is a bearish signal right now. It tells us the stock wants to go lower. But when I look back at the charts, I get a few different levels. One, if you go back to this pivot all the way back to 2011, this was in the month of July, you're going to see a level right around the $46.80 level. And then if you go back and you look at where the stock was able to find some pivot action, you're going to see that you had a lot of action right around anywhere between 50 and also down to this level right here, which is around $46.80. Let's call it $47. So we know that we're going to be right in here will be the sweet spot for Harley-Davidson on the buy side. So if I were to give you a level off the bat, I just split hairs here and go right to 48.50. That tells me when we get to 48.50, that's where the institutions are going to come in and support the stock. And you can see you have a lot of gyration here going back into 2012 when it finally broke above that high. So what markets like to do is they like to go back to where their breakout points were, not necessarily to the penny, but they like to go to those levels. And once they get to those levels, that's where they have a lot of memory. That's where the institutions that originally supported the stock will come back in and support it again. So that's what we want to do. We want to be involved in equities when the institutions tell us to be involved in equities. We don't want to be involved with them when there's just the public involved. We want to get in there when the institutional money is going to push them higher. So keep Harley-Davidson on the radar, and this stock gets down to around 48.50. That's going to be your buying opportunity in the equity. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts. Remember, come over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll get all of our swing trades, or try out our options alert service if you're a little bit more of a risk taker. We're just having a stellar 2015 there. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day. We'll see you on the charts again.